Good morning children, welcome to our video 6th standard physics. This is Mrs. Manonmani P, MSc BA Department of Physics. Hello children, today we are going to discuss about chapter number 2 measurement. Learning objectives. Prefixes used with SI units and measuring length. Yes children, Prefix is a kind of word used before the name of an SI unit to get a bigger value or smaller value of the unit. Have you heard the word kilo? Kilo is a prefix which denotes 1000. That is, kilo means 1000 or 1000. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meters. Yes, now we have to see about decimeter. Deci is a prefix which denotes 1/10. Deci means 1/10 or 1 by 10. 1 meter equal to decimeters. And then now we have to see about centimeter. Centi is a prefix which denotes 100th. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeters. Let's see. Hectometer. Hecto is a prefix which denotes 100. That is, hecto means 100 or 100. From this, 1 hectometer equal to 100 meters. Decameter. Deca is a prefix which denotes 110. That is, deca means 110 or 10. 1 decameter equal to 10 meters. Let's listen. Now we have to see about millimeter. Milli is a prefix which denotes 1000th. That is, milli means 1000th or 1 by 1000. From this we got 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeters. Yes children, now we have to see about units of measurement table. Children, here conversion of meter into decameter we have to multiply into 10. And then meter into hectometer multiply 100, and then meter to kilometer we have to multiply 1000. Yes, now we have to conversion of meter into decimeter. What we have to do? Meter into decimeter we have to divide by 10, and then meter to centimeter divide by 100. Meter to millimeter divided by 1000 meter. Like this, kilogram and kiloliter also same procedure followed. Already you have studied this in mathematics. Measuring length. Now we have to see the definition of length. Length is the distance between 2 points. Meter is used as a standard unit for measuring the length of an object. Meter is written in short form as meter. Yes. Have you seen this? Yes, this is a meter scale. We measure the length of an object by using a meter scale. A meter scale is graduated in 100 centimeters, and every centimeter is further divided into 10 divisions. That is called millimeter. Yes, meter scale. 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. 1 centimeter equal to 10 millimeter. Children, remember these formulas. It's very important for us. Thus, a meter scale is graduated in centimeter and millimeter. Yes, meter scale. A meter scale can measure length accurately up to 1/10 of a centimeter. Though meter is the standard unit of length, like centimeter, millimeter and kilometer are also used for the sake of convenience. Now we have to discuss about the examples. Meter can be used as a unit to measure the length of a table, the length of a room, the height of a tree or of a building. Children, here see one boy is measuring the length of a table with the help of his father. Yes, examples. And then children, obviously you are using these objects. Yes, a pencil or notebook has small length which is much smaller than a meter. So the length of small objects is measured in centimeters. A centimeter is 1/100th of a meter. Yes, now we have to see some examples. Children, what is this? Yes, coins. The thickness of a coin or a thin wire is a very small length which is much smaller than even a centimeter. So this type of small length are expressed in still smaller units called millimeter. Yes. And then children, imagine now the distance between two villages or two cities is very large. For example, I am in Pudukkottai, you are in Chennai. What's the distance? You know, distance between Chennai and Pudukkottai nearly 350 kilometers, isn't it? Yes, kilometer. That is a bigger unit. The large distance are measured in a bigger unit of length called kilometer. 1 kilometer equal to 1000 meter. Yes children, see this picture. Distance between two houses we have to measure, the unit is meter. But distance between two villages or two cities we have to measure the unit of kilometer. Yes, now we have to discuss about numerical problems. Number 1, the question is, the height of a person is 1.65 meter. Express it in centimeter and millimeter. First of all, listen the question carefully. And then we have to do, yes, solution. First you have to write solution. And then conversion of centimeter. What's the formula? Yes, 1 meter equal to 100 centimeter. So 100 into 1.65 centimeter. We have to multiply, means we have to get 165 centimeter. So height of 1.65 meter is equal to 165 centimeter. Now we have to see conversion of millimeters. 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. So 1.65 meter equal to 1000 into 1.65 millimeter. Finally we got 1650 millimeter, 1650 millimeter. Thus the height of 1.65 meters is equal to 1650 millimeters. Now the second question. The length of a table is measured to be 1745 millimeter. How much is this length in meters? Now we have to do conversion of meter. First you have to write solution, conversion of meters, and then 1 meter equal to 1000 millimeter. Now 1 millimeter equal to 1 by 1000 meter. So 1 by 1000 into 1745. Children, imagine 1745 divided by 1000. You know, here down 3 zeros are there. So you have to put 3 digits before you have to put decimal. Finally, we got the length of a table is 1.745 meter. Yes, children. Thank you. When you pray, God listens. When you listen, God talks. When you believe, God works. Have a nice day.